let's kind of do a revision thing list. Okay. Now, starting with the list. Okay. See, it's going to be a revision video, so it will definitely be short. It will be a short video. Okay. So we'll start with this. Okay. What is list? First of all, definition of list, and before that, understand list is a data structure. Okay, where we are storing the items now. Okay, we are storing the elements. Now, if you go with the definition, it is nothing but an ordered where zero-based indexing you will have, and a mutable means you can change, you can update, delete elements and all. Okay. And how is list, or what is the syntax of the list? Anything which is enclosed in the square brackets and separated with a comma are list. Okay, it is nothing but a list. Next, example of a list is given here. Let us take this example. Okay, this is nothing but a list, or we can just make it from inside. Take any variable. Okay, and just write any numbers simply 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, or write some name. Okay, anything you can if you want. Right. This is what list. List is a collection. It's a collection of elements. Okay, where you can store string, integer, boolean data types and all. Okay, boolean data types true. Okay, and you can just take a float term as this is nothing but a list. Now, if you just do print a, there you go. There is a list. This is a list. Exploring the list. Okay. Now, numerical list. It means just we'll take some numerical numbers. Okay, the list will contain only the numerical numbers. Numerical things 2, comma 3, comma 6, comma any random number we take. 99, 88, 02. Let's take 2, something. Okay, this is the list we are having. And now, how we are going to explore the list and all. Just see. Now, first of all, understand this thing. Okay, explaining something, we are knowing about the list. So, length of b is 8. Length of b is here, will give you length. Means how many elements you're having in that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements. Okay, these are 8 elements. There are 8 elements. No. Other than that, what is the minimum element in B? Is nothing but 2. 2 is the minimum element. What is the maximum element? Max of B. Okay, max of B. The maximum element is 99. Okay, this is how you're going to look and all. Okay, exploring the list is nothing but finding the length of the list and all. Okay, now if you do the same thing with the mixed list, let's suppose take A only, right? A is a list as we have defined here already, right? This is a list. Let's take the same list here. Now, if I do length of this, length of it, will I get? Yes, definitely I can get, because it is nothing but related to the length. How many characters? Min gives you min element, max gives you max element. I hope you understand min and max that. Now, so if you go through this length, so it will definitely give you the length 8. But now, if you do this, if you check the same thing, if I do the min and max min of A, it will give me an error. Why it will give me an error? Because see, comparison based. See, integer and string cannot be compared. They cannot be compared. Okay, integer and string cannot be compared. Understand this thing. Comparison cannot be done between integers. Both of them are different. Okay, both of them are different cases here. Okay, that's why not even max can be done. If min cannot do, max cannot. Okay, now, okay, this is the list and all operations we can do here. Applying. Now, coming to the slicing part, indexing. So we can access. Okay, let us take list A again. Now, if I want to access this, what I will do if I want to access the first element, always remember the indexing starts from 0. So L of 0. No, my bad. A of 0. 1. Okay. A of, suppose I want the fifth element. A4, A5. Okay. And now, if you want to, if you're considering you want fifth number starting from length 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you're counting, you're counting starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if you want fifth element, then you have to write fourth. Okay, understood? As per this list, length is 8. Okay, length is 8. But the max element will be, if what if I write 8, length is 8. If I write 8, will it give me? No. Why? Because out of range. If you are writing 8, this Python understands that it is 9. Means you want ninth element. But ninth element is not present. If I want fifth element, then I have to write fourth. And why fourth? Because 5 minus 1 is 4. See, I get fifth element. See, first, second, third, fourth, and then you have fifth element. So fifth element, okay. This is how we access the single one. But what if I want to at some particular range from 2, I want from 0 to 6, I get no elements like this. Okay, if I want element from 0 to 9, it will. Okay, if I don't want to write, I just want the whole list, I can write like this as well. I don't need to write anything. Of flavors, let us write just -1. Now, negative indexing, understand here. Okay, so negative indexing is important here. Negative indexing means it will start counting from the last. -1, -2, -3. If I want to access -2, what I get? True. -3 if I do 3. Why? Because see, -1, -2, -3. Okay, this is zero base. Sorry, zero base and negative indexing which we are having. Now, as I told you, we can count it from a particular range. So A of 0. Okay, if I write here 0, it starts from 0. Okay, if I write from 1, it starts from 1. See, 1, that's why it started from 2. Okay, 1, like this. So A of 0. Next, A of, if I want start, stop, and I want to skip some elements. Like I want to start my indexing from 0. Okay, and what I want till 5. And the next thing here is I want to skip every, I mean, I want an alternative. element. So what I will do, I'll write, see, it gave 1, skip 2, then gave 3, skip 4, then gave us 5. And remember, always, last number will be excluded. What does that mean? If I'm writing 0 to 8, means I'll get elements from 0 to 7 only. I'll get elements from 0 to 7 only, not at 8. I'll get elements, see. Oh, my bad. 1 second. There are 7 elements of whole list, right? Let us take 5. 0 to 5, if I take C. 0 to 5 means how many elements? 8 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it will exclude the last means 5 elements means fifth element like here actually I should get. But in program language, we'll get it here. Understood? Fifth. Okay, 0 to 5. It will give you 5 elements. No, that is that's for sure. But the thing is, you give indexes. These are indexes. 0 to 5 is the index. So the last index will be excluded. We'll get elements 0 to 4 only, not 5. Last index excluded. Will get excluded. Okay. Now, this is how you're going to do. And start, stop, and jump. If I want, so suppose I'm taking here till 7, and what I'm doing, I'm skipping 3 numbers. Every 2 numbers I'm skipping. So I should give 3. So see, 1, 2, 3 left, 4, then this thing. See, 1, 2, 3 left. Oh, sorry. 2, 3 left. Then 4 is taken here. After that, after 4, then again 3. After 4, 2 elements, then again. Then you gave true. Then 1 point. Okay, understood. This is how you're going to do this thing. This is how you're going to apply the things. And if I want the last thing, if I want a reverse list, I just have to give double colon and -1. It will reverse the list. See, what is actually list? 1, 2, 3, 4, and on. Now it reversed. Okay. Now we are like see in definition we already list is mutable. List can be changed, right? How list can be changed? That is the main thing we have to understand. Okay. How the list. Now suppose I'm having the list. List equals. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and whatever random number I want. I'm just taking it. Okay. And I'm taking a one more list L1. I'm naming it as, and I'm giving it as like anything. Right? Comma 7, comma 8.9. Okay. 9.7, etc. Okay. This I'm taking. Now what I'm doing. First of all, inserting or deleting or okay, inserting the list. And so first let's start with the insertion part. Okay? Insertion. If I want to insert anything, okay. So suppose in the L I want to append. Okay. So here append. What happens in append? It will add the element at last. Okay. In the list, I want to add some element like 6. Now I'll print L. Print L. I have appended the list and see. Before it was not, now it is. So list append and the last element will be added. L dot insert. Okay. If you want to insert element at certain position, okay, means append what it whatever how many times you do, it will just take you to the last, means it will add elements from the last. But if I want to do it in the middle, like suppose in place of this 5, okay, I want at this place of what is indexing 0, 1, 2, 2, right? So 3 at third index, okay, third index I want element 4. Now if I run this, okay, this append is already done, so we'll comment it out. Now if I want to insert this, insert element, this thing, okay, if I want to insert the element, then what I will do, simply I'll just run this thing. Now check 1, 2, 3. In between, before what it was, before there was nothing. 3 and 3 directly 5. But now what it is at third index, what I did at 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we're going to insert the things. Okay. Insertion, deletion. Sorry. Insertion is done. Okay. Now removing the list. Okay. L dot pop. If I just write L dot pop, it will directly pop out the last element. Okay. If I write L dot remove, if I want to remove anything from particular, if I want to remove the particular element, suppose I want to remove 1 or I want to remove this 3. What I'll do, L dot remove, and I'll write print L, and we'll just comment out this thing first. Okay, comment out this and run this thing. See, this is how you got. Okay, removed. Merge. How we are going to merge the list? Okay, so we can use L dot extend to merge the list. Okay, extend L1. If I write like this, and what I will do, I'll just add print L. See, now L got extended. Extended means the L1 and L2 got L1. Okay, L1 was added to the list L. To the list L, L1 was added. Okay, other than that, what we have, even we have concatenation method. Okay, suppose I'll write L2 equals, okay, L2 equals what? L plus L1, and I'll write print L2, and there you go. Okay, and now, okay, why you're seeing this double time? Because see, before, if you have a look, we already added some elements, L1 elements to the L2. That's why this thing is appearing. Okay, suppose if I just used to take here some element like 1, 2, okay, 0.3, and if I do see from the last, the elements have been added. Okay, these are things are going to be done. Okay, merging, and let us count some things. Okay, why we use count? Because if you want to know any number is repeating or not, in that case we use. Okay, so L dot count 1. 1 is repeating how many times? 1 time, but in L1. But what if I take L2? Now see, in L2, this is the list L2. In this list, see how many times? 1 is repeating 1, it's 2 times. Okay, 2 times. So these are you're going to use count. If I'm going to write 2, how many times 2 is repeating 2 times? If I want to see 5, 5 is repeating 1 time in list L2. Okay, this is how you're going to do. Suppose I want to find the index. Okay, L dot index. I want to find the index. How you want to find the index? L dot index. Suppose I want to find the index of Boys, here index is 4. Okay, at 4 you're going to find the index. At index 4, this name you're going to find. Okay, and yeah, sorting by the way. Okay, let's take a list. Same L will take. Okay, the same L will take again. Now L. Actually, I'll just make this list an unsorted one. Okay, now I want to do sort L dot sort, and when I just print L, see my list, which was like this, now it got sorted in this way. Okay, if I write L sort, okay, reverse equals true. And after doing this, see, my list got reverse means before it gave me ascending order, now it gave me descending order. Okay, this is what all I was having about the list. So see you the next class. Assalamu alaikum.